Welcome to our ECAMS primary breast augmentation course. I'm going to show you around a little bit, and we have two very nice colleagues today here, and we're going to teach them not only primary breast augmentation but everything around. When you're going to apply for that course, you have two things to do. The first thing, you're going to have an online study. There are 12 sections of all the theory around primary breast augmentation. You have to run through these sections, and then you have to do a final test. Later on, you come to Vienna, and we're going to do a one-day full hands-on course on primary breast augmentations, but usually we also have some other cases, like today, some implant removals or whatever. So I'm going to teach you actually all the tips and tricks that I learned the last decades, and I'm going to show you everything from the bottom of my heart. I think it's really very important to do hands-on, because we can read books and watch videos, but really like having the implant in your finger and really working together for one day really boosts you to the next level of primary breast augmentation.
So the course has been really excellent and great course. A lot of hands-on experience, good cases, and Rolf is teaching very well. So yeah, it's been even exceeding my expectations.
This is exactly what is needed to do breast implants safely and quickly.